Back to KPsKINGDOM. I'm cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a really nice side dish. It's a creamy French onion potato bake. So quick, so easy to do. Alright, into a jug I'm going to add in 300ml worth of thickened cream, okay, and I'm going to add in 125ml of milk, right, just whatever temperature. 40 grams worth of a French onion soup mix. It's a salt reduced one, which is absolutely perfect for this. Give all of that a quick stir and let that sit for about 5 minutes or so for that soup mix to get combined with the all that beautiful dairy that we've got happening right there. Pretty simple sort of stuff. Right, so good stir just like that. And if you haven't tried doing a potato bake before, it is a really easy way to make a side dish and something a little bit different. I've got about 1.2 kilos worth of potatoes. I've got a potato peeler. I'm not going to show you how to peel potatoes. I'm going to go do that off camera. Alright, I've got an oven dish here, and here's my peeled potatoes, and all I'm simply going to do is use a mandolin, and I'm going to cut those or slice those into nice thin pieces. And yes, do use the guard. I knock on wood, have not been caught out yet slicing the tops off my fingers with using a mandolin, but I have with a knife, believe it or not. And with me and my MS, well, this is just better to be safe than sorry. So we're just going to slice those up to nice thin slices. I'm not going to go too thin on those, probably about 1.5 to 2 millimeters thick, and just put that in a nice even layer. We're going to pour all of that beautiful mixture that we just made over the top. There's little bits of little chunks of onion that goes in the French onion soup. They're going to go in on top as well. They're going to end up being nice and crunchy. And make sure you spill some of that mixture on the bench, otherwise you are not doing it right. I'm actually going to put a lid on that, and I'm going to cook that off for about 20 minutes or so at 180 degrees. And after that, I'm going to bring it back out. As you can see, we've got some nice little bits of bubbly happening. We've got a little bit of colour around the outside from where I've splooshed the milk and cream, and we're getting ready for our final little cook off, and that is going to be adding some grated cheese over the top. Use the cheese of your choice. The recipe that I have actually uses Gruyere, but look, don't have to spend money on buying Gruyere. Just use the cheese that you like. I'm using my Mexican blend that I always use. Right, nice little bit of that over the top. Back into the oven for around about another 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees. And before you know it, you're going to end up with the most amazing side dish ever. How look at that, right? You've got KP's French onion potato bake. Really nice and simple, and the French onion soup mix gives it an amazing, nice, subtle flavour. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn how to make a real quick, easy side, which will go great with a roast or a steak or whatever. Well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After it is French onion potato bake, and I'm going to put that with some beef meatball stroganoff. Okay. Anyway, thank you. I will catch you next time. Bye.